If you want to edit a slow motion video on OPPO Find X9 Pro, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the Photos app. Now over here in Photos, you should be able to find your video, your slow motion video that you recorded. And if you want to edit the video, we can tap on this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. Now over here, we have all of these different tools that we have for customization. But for example, if you wanted to change the speed, then over here we have the change speed option. And in here we can apply even slower slow motion effect or speed it up a little bit. And if you go to curve, you can adjust the speed by using any of these methods over here, by using any of these tools, let's say it like that. Unfortunately, it seems that we cannot manually select the area that should be in slow motion and which parts should not be in slow motion. I'm not sure why the app doesn't have that feature, but it is what it is. But if you're looking for some other customization options, then of course you can also find here at the bottom of the screen. Once you are done with the slow motion video, of course, we can tap on save in the upper right corner, wait for the phone to process the video, and that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.